Namaste everyone. I am Ranjita Gupta PR, lecturer in electronics, KLS S. Nijalingappa Independent PU College, Rajajinagar, Bengaluru. In this video, I am going to give an introduction to electronics. First, let us see the definition of electronics. The word electronics is derived from electron mechanics. So, we can define the electronics as the science and technology of the motion of electrons in gas, vacuum, or in semiconductor devices, which serves as a base for electrical signals. Let us look into the scope of electronics. Until around 1960, electronics was considered as an integral part of electrical engineering. Due to tremendous advancement in last few decades, now various sub-branches of electronics like computer science engineering, communication engineering, control and instrumentation engineering, information technology are now full-fledged courses in various universities. Everyone is familiar with electronics, be it with the television, the computer, internet, or the cellular phone. An electronics engineer knows and understands the functioning of these devices. He acquires the capability to further improvise these devices as per the needs of the user. Electronics engineer and technician have the scope in following fields. The first one is defense, space, and large research organization. They employ electronic engineers in design and development of complex circuits and systems. The second one is industries. The industries which are involved in design and fabrication of electronic devices, integrated circuits, embedded system, electronic equipments, etc. provide an opportunity for electronics engineer. The third one is IT field. Knowledge of computer hardware, networking equipments, and communication system enable the electronics engineer to be placed even in the IT fields also. Electronic technicians have opportunities in installation and maintenance of electronic equipments. Applications of electronics. Our day to day life involves the use of electronic devices. Electronics has played a major role in every sphere of our life. The first and foremost application of electronics is entertainment. Audio equipment like radio, tape recorder, music system, a public addressing system, video equipment like television receiver, computer, etc. gives a best entertainment. A computer with or without internet provides audio video entertainment. Songs, music, movies, games, TV channels, FM stations can be played on the mobile phone to have entertainment at any time anywhere. Electronic gadgets provides entertainment from a newborn to age-old person. The second important application of electronics is communication. Availability of economical and fast means of communication covers the way for progress of a country. Few decades ago, the main application of electronics was in the field of telephony and telegraphy. Advancement of electronics resulted in the fastest communication. By mobile phones, internet, email, it is possible to communicate anywhere in the world within seconds. With the internet, we can access information in our fingertips. The third application of electronics is defense applications. Defense services are using electronic equipments like radar, sonar, and infrared systems to detect and locate enemy jet fighters, warships, and submarines. They can also be used to control the aiming and firing of guns. Guided missiles are completely controlled by electronic means. Electronic circuits provide a means of secret communication between the headquarter and different units. Such a communication has become absolutely essential. Missiles controlled by electronic signals can target enemies very accurately over long distances. Electronic security systems are used across the border to guard the country. The fourth application is industrial application. Use of automatic control systems in different industries is increasing day by day. Control of thickness, quality, weight, and moisture content of the product that is developed can be easily done by such systems. Robots are programmed faithfully to carry out specific repetitive action with high degree of accuracy, as well as they can work in toxic conditions. Use of computers has made processing of tasks simple and convenient. Using computers, data of the employee will be stored for accounting purpose. Electronics fire detectors, burglar alarms, smoke detectors, and CC camera provide security to industries. Even the power stations, which generate thousands of megawatts of electricity, are controlled by electronic devices and circuits. The fifth application is medical applications. Doctors and scientists are finding new uses of electronic systems in the diagnosis and treatment of various diseases. Electrocardiograph, X rays, shortwave diathermy units, ultrasound scanning machines, endoscopy, thermometers, blood pressure measuring instruments, blood sugar measuring instruments, etc., are in common use. The use of electronics in medical science has grown so extremely and is useful in saving the life of mankind from a lot of sufferings. At last, we can say electronics gives best healthcare, better entertainment, fastest communication, highest security. Altogether, it gives us pleasant comfort. Thank you.